Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord SE2, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first you should go into the gallery application here, and now you can see that we got here the three photos. Just to hide, for example, one from these photos, or just take a couple of them, you can just to select one photo, you can just select this photo and click here on the right upper corner and click here to hide. But if you want to select a couple of photos, click here, hold for a while one from the photos, and then select photos which you want to hide. After that, click here on these three dots and click here to hide. Now just here we got the question, move selected photos to the hidden collection. Yes, click here to OK. And here we got the second, message that our photos they're hidden. And now one will go back, we'll slide with our finger here to the left side. We can see here the hiding collection, and now we can find these our two photos in this hiding collection. And here and just our photo album we stay only with one photo. And if you want to just unhide these two photos, select them and click here to the eye icon, and as can you see that our two photos has been unhidden. And we'll go back to the gallery. We can see that in our photo album we got again our three photos here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.